happening, YouTube? So today we're going to be installing a carpet to the interior panels. There's the carpet we got. Purchased it on eBay. I'll leave a link in the description. Well, yeah, let's get carpet in them panels. Okay, so I've picked up this plyline kit and a floor as well, which I'll show you in a minute, from Infinity Customs in Bristol. Luckily for me, they're about half a mile away from my house. Happy days. I'm going to carpet this panel in a minute. I've already done the rest of them. This is the last one. They're all done. Yeah, so if I'll show you how to do this one. I'm not professional at doing it. It's the first time I've ever done it. It's come out alright. I think anyone can do it. So this is the plyline floor I bought from Infinity Customs. It's pretty much a one piece. It's got a couple of little bits to go in, but most of the time you've got a big cut all the way down that side and all the way along the back. So it's like 3 separate pieces. I didn't want that. So this is pretty much a full piece, apart from this little bit here, which will just slot in there like that. And then the same with that back bit there, you go in there. So yeah, that'll be alright there. There's no heavy traffic or nothing on it. It should be sound. But yeah, I think that's a nice bit of flooring, one piece like that, rather than having a dirty join all the way down there, then a dirty join all the way across the back. There's my swivel seat base. I'll be doing a video for that soon. So yeah, that's the flooring. Infinity Customs, good lot down there, good bunch, very helpful, and the product seems pretty good. Right, so I've cut the carpet, sort of rough size of the panel. There's the panel we're going to cover, and there's the carpet. Sort of a rough size even. With this 4-way stretch carpet, there's like 2 sides to it. There's like a rough side and a soft side. And obviously you stick on the rough side. Let's say the soft side, your finish. I'm surprised how many people get that wrong. So I've hung the carpet up so I can spray it with the glue. Rough side facing out towards me. And I've let the panel down on the floor. I spray both, spray the panel and spray the carpet. Make sure you're overlapping all the way around the wood. Just wrap it around it. all the bubbles and creases out of it. Now we'll chop them in. So this is our panel complete. Looks good enough for me. Have a look at the back. Yeah, it looks a bit rapey on the corners and all that, but you ain't gonna see none of that. It looks alright from the other side. So yeah, that's how you carpet your interior panels. Please subscribe and like and share my channel. Thanks for watching.